We are here already. Oh, they just choose. Oh, I just make a video just to see. Later mamaya na yung magano ng mga gamit. Oh. Oh. Ayan pala. Oh. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, to all people in Baghdad, you can come here to visit or to spend all the families, friends in the summertime. It's summer already. Oh, oh, you can play. You can play already. Oh, it's very nice. Oh. Yay! We are here. Just a minute. Mag-video muna tayo. Yay! We are here. Okay. It's nice. Oh. It's very nice. Naghakot na sila, sir. Nag-make video. Nag-make video pa ako. Nag-make video pa ako. Diyan muna yan. Kasi mag-video muna. Okay. Naghakot ng mga gamit. Maghakot. Dito nice yung mga ano nila. Nauna yung video. Bago ang mga bihano. Oh, very nice. Oh. Very nice. Eh! Ha? Oh, just a minute. Kaya mag-get pa tayo ng mga staff mo. Just a minute, why? It's very good. So very nice. Oh. Yeah? Yun yung inside. Okay, you can come here to spend time. O meron pang sa likod. Oh. Maganda, meron yata sila dito dirty kitchen. Okay, you can search. Okay, yeah, let's see. Bye bye. Thank you again for watching.